Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to start a series of DIY decor because I'm getting married in September of this year. So I've been doing a lot of research, a lot of looking on YouTube, and I've just seen so many things that I just want to do for the wedding, half the cost of using like real flowers from a florist and things like that. My bouquet and my bridal party and the boutonnieres for the groomsmen and everything are going to be real flowers, but I thought I would save a few bucks on a few other things. So, with that being said, today we are going to make some aisle starters. I guess that's what you call them. I don't really know what to call them, but they are going to be on pedestals or column pedestals at the beginning of my entryway of the aisle when we get married. So, they're really simple, really easy. They were probably about, I would say maybe 75 bucks a piece, versus if you put this many flowers, or if a florist put this many flowers in something for you, it'd probably be like $2 to $2.50. So definitely way cheaper to do it this way and use fake flowers. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video and I will catch you in a little bit. Okay, so this is the first project that we're going to do. This is going to be a, I don't really know what to call it, like a pedestal aisle starter. I don't know. They're going to be on tall pedestals behind the last chair of the entrance of the aisle. So they're going to be when I come in. And I just bought a buttload of white hydrangea bushes. And then I bought a few like discolored ones as well. I don't want to say discolored, but they're like a ivory, I guess you could call it, or an off-white. And then I bought some blush dahlias in here, and also there are some white dahlias in here as well. I'm thinking, there it is. This is what we're going to build tonight. And if you are interested in learning how to do this, super easy, please keep watching. Okay, so this is probably going to be like a talk through voiceover kind of video, so bear with me. So first things first, we're going to take a half a piece of circular foam, and I'm just using this little wood block as a pedestal right now because I don't have one. So it's just upright enough so I can see what I'm doing. So place that on there, and then these hydrangeas I've already taken out of the stem because I used them for my other one. But yeah, so basically all we're gonna do is just stick it in towards the bottom. We're gonna build from the bottom up. So just stick it in till about midway. Oops. It's going to be a little bit heavier on this side, so I'm going to have to bring it down. And then the other side. Some of them go in a lot easier than others. Okay, it's from Michael's. I don't know if you can see. All I'm doing is kind of like bending it and taking it out of its long stem. And see, there you go. Nice and easy. Okay, so as you can see, I have all of my white ones in here. I have all whites lining the bottom, and then I put one on the top. So now I'm going to go in with the off-colored ones and put them to fill in the gap here. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go and fill in all the tiny gaps with the dahlias. So let's go do that. Okay, so I have all my ivory ones in here, and I didn't buy enough ivory ones, so I had to put one white one back in here, but it's totally fine, it doesn't matter. There was no like pattern or rhyme or reason. So now I'm going to go in with the white and blush dahlias, and just to make it a little more full, fill in this gap right here, and and just any of these gaps that you see, we're gonna fill with dahlias. Alright, so now I'm just gonna look and see if there's any like gaps that I need to fill. Everything here looks pretty good. I might put a white dahlia right here because I got a bush from Big Lots, so I have a few extra. And then the top looks pretty good. I may pull the top hydrangea out just a little bit so it sticks out. But yeah, so we are almost done with this guy. See how easy that was? So easy. Alright, so here are the 2 aisle starter pedestals. Still don't have a name for them, but I'll figure it out. I'm excited. They were super easy. All of the flowers, pretty much most of them came from Michael's. I had that one bushel of dahlias that came from Big Lots, but Michael's had a sale going on right now. So that is why I got them from Michael's. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. It was super easy. I found some vases to put them in from Marshall's. That's where I found them. They were $6 a piece, so super cheap, super simple. And stay tuned because next we are going to do the aisle runner for my aisle. I'm going to do a petal runner on each side of the aisle runner that I ordered from Party City. So definitely going to take a little bit more time than these did. Definitely tedious work. But if you're interested in many more decor ideas for your wedding, then please subscribe and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.